Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a battery from a GMC Canyon. First, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your truck is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. You'll need a 10mm wrench for the terminals and a wire brush for cleaning. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Let's get started with the first crucial step. Now, let's locate your battery, which is usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay in a GMC Canyon. Identify the negative terminal, marked with a minus sign and often a black cable. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on this terminal. Once loose, carefully pull the negative cable off the post and ensure it doesn't accidentally touch any metal parts of the vehicle. This prevents electrical shorts. With the negative cable safely disconnected, move on to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and usually a red cable. Loosen this terminal with your wrench and remove the cable, keeping it clear of the battery and any metal. Then, locate the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in place. Unfasten this clamp completely. Double-check that all cables are free and clear before you proceed to lift the battery out of its tray. Now for the final step, carefully lift the battery straight up and out of the engine bay. Batteries can be heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back. Once removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps with your wire brush. This ensures a good connection for your new battery. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Installing the new battery is simply reversing these steps. Starting with the positive terminal first, you've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.